Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to exit out of Samsung TV Plus. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually exit out of Samsung TV Plus? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you want to do, go ahead and do first is that you want to go ahead and access Samsung TV Plus, which is this app right over here. So click on Samsung TV Plus. So what you want to do first is that you want to access the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV, and then you want to hover over Samsung TV Plus, which is right over here for me. Now, once you hover over it, you're going to see on the left-hand side something that says Channel Guide, okay, or Channel List, sorry. So click on Channel List. And then once you click on Channel List, the list of all the TV channels that are on Samsung TV Plus are going to appear. So what you want to do next is that you want to click on Edit Channel, which is on the bottom right hand side here. So click on Edit Channels. And then once you click on Edit Channels, the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to start deleting all these channels. So next you're going to click on Select All, and then you're going to click on Delete. So what this will do is that after you delete it, you want to click on Save and Exit. This is going to exit you out of Samsung TV Plus so you no longer have Samsung TV Plus, but it can be easily reinstalled back. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and exit out of Samsung TV Plus. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.